Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at a replacement motherboard for the Acer Aspire 5 A515-55 series, specifically the NB.HSH11.002, also known as NB.HSH11.002. This is a crucial component. So let's dive into what makes this particular board tick. This motherboard comes as a compatible spare part, designed to breathe new life into your Acer Aspire 5 A515-55 laptop. It features an integrated Intel Core i5-1035G1 processor running at 1 GHz with the sRGKG designation. This is a solid, efficient processor for everyday tasks, browsing, and even some light content creation. The integrated CPU socket means the processor is soldered directly onto the motherboard. While this might limit future upgrade options, it ensures a stable and reliable connection. It's designed specifically for the Acer Aspire 5 A515-55 series, so compatibility shouldn't be an issue if you're replacing a faulty board in one of these models. For memory, this motherboard supports DDR4 RAM. It's specified to handle memory clock speeds of 3,200 MHz, which is great for ensuring smooth multitasking and responsiveness. The amount of RAM it can support will depend on the specific configuration of your Acer Aspire 5, so be sure to check your laptop's original specifications before purchasing replacement memory. The chipset is a system on a chip, or SoC. This means many of the core functions of the system are integrated directly into a single chip, leading to a more compact and efficient design. This is pretty standard for modern laptops, and it helps to reduce power consumption and overall system size. When considering a motherboard replacement, it's always a good idea to double-check the part number to ensure compatibility. The NB.HSH11.002 or NB.HSH11.002 designation is key here. Also, remember that replacing a motherboard can be a complex task. So if you're not comfortable with disassembling and reassembling a laptop, it's best to seek professional help. Overall, this replacement motherboard appears to be a solid option for those looking to repair their Acer Aspire 5 A515-55 series laptop. The integrated Intel Core i5 processor, DDR4 memory support, and SoC chipset provide a good balance of performance and efficiency for everyday use. Just be sure to verify compatibility and consider professional installation if needed.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.